body is made for movement, which contributes to a healthy mind and a healthy immune system. In a fast-paced world, we often forget about ourselves, and it is okay to feel tired. This is the body's kind way of reminding us to pause and reconnect with ourselves.
If you're an active woman who enjoys outdoor workouts such as running, swimming, surfing, yoga, or cross-training, ask yourself this. After a workout, have you ever been forced to stay in your sweaty outfit? And if you do happen to change out of your outfit, have you ever been guilty of the dreaded public no-nos? Like struggling to change under a towel, or trying to change in a cramped car? How about changing in public restrooms, which are just as unsanitary as they are uncomfortable? Ever change in a porta potty? Maybe you've been so desperate you risked it all. Now imagine how convenient it would be to quickly change from your workout clothes into clean clothes at any time, anywhere, even in public, without ever getting naked. Sound impossible? We assure you, it's not.
Each Jake Joseph design begins with a simple solution that, just like a great pair of shoes begins with excellent leather, suede, or other material, so should underwear. That's exactly why each yard of fabric we use is made specifically for you. Our boxer is made with cotton shirtings that get better with washing and designed to never bunch up or wedgie. This is, simply put, the best boxer you'll ever put on. For the stretch collection, our classic brief, trunk, and boxer brief, we use the most superb fabric that can be made from bamboo. This, coupled with our stitching method, delivers a product that never loses its stretch for a promised fit with every wear. We went to the industry experts to learn what they thought about JJ. We were deemed the best pair to travel in from Men's Health, received outstanding reviews from the men's underwear expert, and brief of the year from the guys' underwear blog. Given our high-quality materials and craftsmanship, it's been difficult to get a pair below $34. You'll also help us introduce the Zen Show collection. I'm really excited about this, as the Zen Show contours and pattern and grips the leg to prevent rising. It's breathable and holds on to you all day, from work to working out. And most importantly, you can try out a pair of JJ's for a great price. I promise once you wear them, you'll look forward to doing laundry so you can wear them again. They also make a great gift along with our other rewards. My name is Jake Joseph, and we are changing underwear. JJ's feels good on the 70th wear as they do on the first. I'm proud to put my name on it, and I'm proud to share with you. I need your help to make this happen. Thank you.